might remember me from the mural out there. Of course, I recognize you guys. My name is Katie Trainer, and I am a mural artist. We just produced this mural this week with the children in the Heart of STEAM camp. H-E-A-R-T, heart. So that's the Heart of STEM camp. So we have the robot that is catching electric from the sun, which is a gear. We have multiple gears. This is all kid designed, so day one, the kids designed a lot of stuff. That's our little list right here. Let me grab that. So we came up with mural ideas, and then from that point we drafted out a couple different ones. They gathered around as we drew, and they helped point out stuff. They came up with molecules coming out of the stars up in the side, the robot connecting the earth to power, and then there's electricity coming down from the cloud, the gear cloud. I like the design of the raindrops at chemistry. So little beakers came out of that. In the bottom corner, we're going to have our little label of the camp itself and all the kids, but we actually have some hidden stuff. There's solar power, tech, engineering, different things the kids liked, electricity. There's a magic square, there's some hidden stuff. So that big mural out there has a sci-spy, so this is going to have one as well. I'm going to come back in the I host a mural club next week too, so we'll be adding extra stuff before my classes every morning. I'll be fixing it and touching up. But they did amazing, didn't they? These kids did great. So it was 15 kids in the class for an entire week. We made a design, and then they all signed it with their little hands. So I'm sorry I can't be here with you guys for First Friday, but First Friday calls for a lot of stuff in all different places. I'm not in Lancaster tonight, but you guys are, so I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you guys check out the sci-spy out there, and come back to check it out when we have the sci-spy made for this one too. So thank you guys. Check me out on Instagram and Facebook. And also Lancaster Science Factory. And then you'll be able to find me for that stuff. So thank you very much, and I hope you guys enjoy.